Hi, good morning to all of you, and have a great good morning to you all. And how's your life going on? Today, I just make for you a really very long video so that, of course, you also can see how to become successful in your life. Lot of people also saying about how to be successful. There is no any fees to give the fees to the schools. How to be successful? How can I think to be successful? So I will say you, everyone can become a successful if you are really very passionate to become a successful. If you want to be a successful guy, definitely you can become. For that things you will have to see this video till end. So you will have to give me promise that you are really very excited to be a successful guy or not. If you want to be successful in your life, please just ping me, just tell me by the comment box. If you want to be successful, so just say yes. If you don't want to, just say no, I don't want. But I know very well everyone has desire, a biggest desire to be a successful in the world. I have desire. I want to become a motivational speaker in the world. You also have desire to be a successful in your life. I know that my audience really very smart, and of course I know that you also so much passionate to be successful in your life. So how to do that? Just let's get the video. So first thing is that if you want to be successful in your life, don't be think about the peoples, don't be think about the criticize. People will criticize you, people will think that you cannot do that, people will say to you it's not in your hand. Don't be think about these things. In a beginning of time you don't have money, but how to create the money, how to fulfill all things, all course of fees, right? And how to start the training, how to start everything, how to start build everything. For that things, don't be think about the peoples, don't be think about people also saying to you what. Just try to think what do you want to do in your life. If you want to be successful in your life, don't be think about negativity. Okay, so first thing is that from today you will have to promise me that you will have to wake up early. Means you will have to be a early rise bird, early riser bird. Second, you have to follow exercise. You have to be good health, not ill healthy. Okay. Third, you have to follow meditations, because if you are really very healthy by body, by mind, so definitely it's mean you are completely rich by your health, by your mind, by your internally positivity environment. Fourth thing is you have to give the personal time yourself. If you will give the personal time to yourself, personal time in the sense of just give the time of 20 or 30 minutes to yourself and just ask you what do you want to do in your life, what's your plan of today, what do you think, what do you want to do, how to motivate you. If you are feeling anxiety, just try to listen the music, just try to listen your heart, just try to ask the questions. Why are you feeling so sad? Why are you not happy? If you are not happy, just try to think you are not happy. Why? You have to work on that when you just get the answer on behalf of why. When you just get the answer behalf of why, WHY, you have to think about that and you have to go with that. You have to go with consistency. You have to do everything whatever you want to do. But before that things you have to decide your goal. What do you want to do in your life? What do you want to be in your life? What do you want to do? You want to successfully, in your whole life in the world. So definitely you have to decide your aim, so that you also can grab achievements. You also can get achievement when you will do hard work before after set the goal. After setting the goal, you have to go according to the goal, right? Now about the demonetization. about criticizing people. Lot of people also will saying to you that you cannot do, you cannot, you can't. You don't have money. How to do that? How to do that? How to go abroad? You don't have money. You cannot go. Just listening. Don't be think about the people. Just try to think about you. Sorry. Don't be think about the people. People don't know what's your ambitions, but you know very well what kind of ambitions you born in the body, you born in your mind, you born in your heart. If you want to give the birth to your dream for that things, what will you do? Don't listen to the people, especially those people always kick you. They do not appreciate you. If people appreciating to you, just listen them. Just listen. Just discuss with them. This thing is, you have to do it. Be a successful, because those people actually want that you can become that things which you, whatever you just decide in your life. Those people actually have a lot of expectations from you, and that's why they always appreciate you for that things. You will not forget those people. You will have to always support those people.